Okay, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are hearing me. My name is Badmus Babatunde, and I am from University of Ibadan, Department of Art and Social Sciences, and Social Studies Units. My matric number is 225499, and this day I will be teaching you on what we call analysis of covariance, Ancova. And we have strategy A, as you can see it here. We have strategy B, and we have the control group. So we have three groups here, strategy A, B, and control group. Then we have the mental ability, we have pre-interest, and we have post-interest. So before we run our Ancova, this is mental ability. It's on this is continuous variable, and we cannot run our Ancova with continuous variable. It must be in categorical variable. It must be categorical. So before we continue, we must firstly, before we run our Ancova, we must firstly change this mental ability of continuous variable to categorical variable. So we come to analyze, we come to descriptive statistics. Under that, we come to exploit. Under that, what do we want to exploit? Our mental ability is the variable. We pick it here. Then we come to option. After that, we come to option. Then we come to statistics. Then when we come to statistics, we pick percentage. After that, we press continue. Then we press OK. So our result is loading. Yeah, this is our result. And from the results, you see that we have the mean for mental ability. We have 95% confidence interval. We have lower bound, we have upper bound. We have median, we have variance, we have standard deviation, we have minimum, and we have maximum. So the minimum value is 17.68, while the maximum value is 67.54. Now, for us to run our categorical mean, to categorize the continuous to categorical, we need this percentage. Especially, the percentage runs from 5 to 95. That is from 5 to 10 to 25 to 50 to 75 to 90 and to 95. Okay, but we only need these three percentiles. That is 25 percentile, 50 percentile, and 75 percentile. So we will group them accordingly under we'll categorize them. So from the minimum value, which is 17.68, to it will be 43.10. That is for category 1. For the category 2, it will be 43.11 to 49.97. That is 50 percentile. Then the third percentile, that is 75, it will be 49.98 to the second percentile, rather, it will be 49.98 to 55.54. Then the third percentile will be 55.53. Then the third percentile will be 55.54 to our maximum value here, 67.54. So let's transform. So we come here, we pick record into different variable. Then which one do you want to record? Mental ability. Then we'll pick it to come to this box. Notice not this question mark. That is, we need to what? We need to name it. We label it to be I want to make use of mark categories. Okay, then here I can put same name mark T. Okay, notice as soon as I press this change, just see what will happen. Let's see what will happen now. You see, mark what we put here reflects here. So we are here not yet done. We got to old and new variables, whereby we change this to from value, we change this to range, and we add value here. That is 1. You know, we are changing it to categorical. So it will be 17.68 through 17.68 through 43.10. Okay, we just press add. Okay, then the second one, value 2, it will range from that's a 50 percentile. It will range from 43.11 through 49.97. 49.97. We had that also. Then pick it again, 3. Then it will be from 49.98. That will be 49.98 through 67.54. 67.54. Okay, we'll press add again. So with this, you are good to go. Add continuous, add just press OK. Okay, now we will now need to go to our we need to see our data sets. We just add 1. We'll continue to add value to those ones that are that escape. You see, just make sure that they are all complete before we can move forward. That's been added. Okay, now what do we need to do next? What we need to do next is to add value in the variable view. Is to add value from here. We come here, add the value. That is for 1, we have low, add it. For 2, we add medium or moderate, the one you can want to use, but I would like to use medium. You add value. Then the third one, you add it again to be high. You add it again, just press OK. You see, we've added value for it. You see now, we've added value. So we've categorized mental ability into 3 main groups: the low, the medium, and the high. So we can now go ahead to do our Ancova now. And from there, we come to analyze. We come to general linear model. We come to univariates. Then with this place, we must be careful because here, this one, we come to dependent variable, post-interest, pre-interest, we come to covariates. Then we come to the categorical mark categories. We come to fixed factors, while the groups also we come to fixed factor, because our mental ability that is in this one is continuous, so we cannot pick it again because we've transformed it into categorical. Okay, so before we go, we come to option. When we come to option, we tick this, we tick this, we tick we tick the most value, we tick this, then we tick this also. Okay, then we come to continue, then after that we come to okay, then our Ancova is ready. Analysis of covariance. Well, Ancova is ready. You see, this is our results from here. See this value, this is low value. We have control A, we have strategy A and strategy B, and these are the mean deviation, mean value. This is standard deviation. Then we have for medium also, we have control, we have strategy A, strategy B, we have the same, we have mean value, we have standard deviation for it also. The same thing goes to high, and we have for each control and strategy A and B also. Then before we now have total. Now we now come to tests of between subject effects. Test between subject effects. Let's come to pre-interest. In pre-interest, we have type 3 sum of squares, and we have DF1, that is the different DF1. We have a mean square to be 4199.295. We have frequency to be 234.709. We have the significance, that is 0.000. That is, there is no significance difference. Yes, yeah, because it's 0.000. Okay. So the pre-interest is significance because it is less than 0, it is 0.000. So it is less than 0.05. So because of that, the pre-interest is significant, the mark categories is significant, and also the group is also significant. We have it to be the mark category groups also. So this is our results, and next class we will continue from here. Thank you.